Have you ever wondered about the mysterious beings known as Jinn in Islam? These entities are believed to live among us, influencing our world in unseen ways. In Islamic belief, Jinn are sentient beings created from smokeless fire, living alongside humans but invisible to the naked eye. They possess free will, just like us, and can choose to be good or evil. The Quran says, "And I did not create the jinn and mankind except to worship me." Quran 51:56. Unlike angels who are entirely benevolent, jinn can be either virtuous or malevolent, making them more similar to humans than angels. The Quran mentions jinn multiple times, with entire chapters dedicated to them. Understanding jinn sheds light on the Islamic concept of the unseen world, reaffirming the idea that there's more beyond the physical realm. In the Quran, jinn are portrayed as a creation with responsibilities and accountability, much like humans. Throughout history, countless stories have been told about jinn interacting with humans. From granting wishes to causing mischief, their tales are woven into the fabric of Islamic culture. One famous account is that of a jinn bringing the throne of the Queen of Sheba to Prophet Solomon in the blink of an eye, showcasing their incredible abilities. These stories influence daily Muslim life, reminding believers of the existence of unseen beings and the importance of seeking protection through prayer and adherence to faith. Jinn, like humans, have free will. They can be believers or non-believers, righteous or evil. The Quran says, "And among us are Muslims, in submission to Allah, and among us are the unjust. And whoever has become Muslim, those have sought out the right course." Quran 72:14. The belief in jinn encourages Muslims to stay spiritually vigilant, fostering a strong connection to Allah through prayer, charity, and good deeds. By understanding jinn, Muslims are reminded of their own responsibilities and the importance of seeking Allah's guidance in all matters. By exploring the concept of jinn, we gain a deeper understanding of the unseen world and its role in Islamic theology. These beings serve as a reminder of Allah's vast creation and the intricate balance between the seen and unseen. Join us next time as we continue to uncover the mysteries and teachings of Islam. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.